Perfect.
What is going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in back to the channel. Today we're actually going to be installing an IRP short shifter. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to start this job alone. Alina's not here right now, she's at work, so let's get started. Our first step is going to be to remove the interior. We're going to start by taking off the shifter first. And there's a cable under here. And also pop this guy out. Now that that's removed and this guy's here, put your fingers under these side panels. And why is it bending so much? Okay, I feel like I'm just gonna break my car. Okay, put your finger under here and we're gonna pop this bad boy out like so, and undo the clip here just like that. We'll throw that in the back, and now we're gonna grab here. That's out now. So screw here and here, here and here, and those two there. And now we're just gonna pull this bad boy out. Maybe not. Well, do we just leave it in? Yeah, you don't have to come out. You're coming out. Oh yes. There's something under there. Undo that too. Just slides off. Take these little guys out. These will go. That should slide out. Yep. And then four more screws. Easy. Same dealio. Pop this little guy out. Slide this up. There's two bolts right back here. Just remember those, keep that in mind. We're not gonna unbolt them just yet, but those will need to come off once we get below the car. But for now, we're gonna remove these 4 screws around here. All done. You know the drill. There you go. So now that comes off. And now, take that cotter pin out with the washer, and you are going to keep those. Do not lose those. Alright, watch me lose this. Oh, yes! And this washer too. Right there. Okay, so I just slid it out of the way. If we pull up. Yes. Who's calling me? It's Alina. Alina, say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Now we gotta get underneath the car. We're gonna jack it up. Alright guys, so we're underneath the car right now. And those 2 screws that I was talking about earlier, those are gonna be right here. So we're gonna remove those. And then from there, we'll unbolt these 2 bolts on the end. And then the other 2 right here. Make sure you have a jack under this. Then you come up here, and this will swing out. You'll grab a pick, it'll swing out this way, and then there's going to be a bar that'll slide out. Pull that up, and slide that out. You're going to have 2 of those, one on each side, and then you'll be able to wiggle this piece. You'll be able to wiggle this out, and then you just put the transmission back up into the car. We'll also undo this too. I need my impact. Okay. I gotta take this guy off. Last time I took the transmission down, I stripped this bolt. So hopefully the same thing doesn't happen. Alright guys, so forgive me. It's getting a little tight working under here, so I'm not going to be able to show you exactly, like, actually taking everything off. But I got the exhaust unbolted here. I removed the bracket from here that holds it onto this. That guy right there. After you drop your exhaust, these 2 bolts here, that's going to bring this drive line down. Alina's here. Alright guys, so transmission is dropped and the driveline is dropped.
Woo!
Now I actually need you to lower the transmission just a little bit. Okay.
Is that enough?
That's good.
Do you want me to lower it some more?
If you can, yeah. You okay? There it is! I did it! I did it! That's junk now. We're just bolting everything back up right now. Should be done in just about a minute. So now Alina's going to be installing the shifter. She's going to put it all together. So rubber piece first. Oh, it's a bad mamma jamma. Didn't it come with the kit?
No, you use the original ones.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Remember guys, we put them right over here. I can't remember which one is which now. I think it's these.
It's this one. It's the big ones. I'm not gonna tighten them down because you need to get under the car and find out where this goes.
I have to get under the car?
I'll do it.
No, I'll do it.
No, I want to do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Well, I'm doing it.
I'm already going into the car. Damn it, I have to
That,
film
ladies
you.
and gentlemen, is how you get someone else to do it for you. I'm just kidding, I'll do it.
No!
I'm doing it.
No, don't. Okay, now I can shift it?
Yeah.
Oh, that feels awesome.
It's gonna be shorter than that.
Whoa. All right, so now that we got all 4 of the washers tightened down, the only thing left to do now is to adjust our set screws on the shifter. So you slide this set screw all the way in, you screw it all the way in. You're in 6th gear, so you're adjusting the left side. Once you see it's all the way on that pin, then you slide your grub nut with your Allen key and then lock it down with your nut, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. Now go through the gears. Very last step before we button the interior back together, we actually have to cut a piece of the interior, and I'll show you how to do that. Not too hard, let's head out. So this is how it would sit in the car. The reverse lockout is going to be blocked by this little section here. So I'm actually using a box cutter and I'm just slicing right here. I'm not going all the way to the edge, as you can see, but we're about 1/3 of the way done. So I'm just gonna keep cutting this and then I will be able to throw it inside the car. All right guys, so this is taking way too long. Totally forgot we've got a plastic welding kit. It's kind of like a soldering iron, so we're gonna use this. I totally forgot we had this. This will make the job 10 times easier to watch. Right here goes nothing. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it's working though. I guess that's correct. That's awesome. If you guys have a plastic welder, pick one up. They're like $5 at Harbor Freight. That worked awesome. And it's a super clean cut. I'm happy with that. No more section.
That was it. Did you see it?
No.
That was fast.
That was really fast.
Yeah. As usual.
Okay.
Alright.
Hook it all up for me.
Button her back up, okay?
No, you.
Okay. I'm just buttoning up the interior. It looks sick already. I just put the center console on and now this, but you know, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all buttoned up.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, I just finished buttoning it up and Sal hasn't seen it yet, so I'm gonna show you guys his reaction. Sally! Come here!
Oh my gosh.
Do you like it?
I love it.
The next day.
This is day 3 of the IRP shifter. I'm I'm kind of upset. I do like it. I will say that it is not worth the $550 or however much it was. I think it should be like $100 less. I had to reinstall this twice because in the kit it didn't say use Loctite. It didn't come with Loctite. The entire shifter fell apart on me. That is a downfall to this. If you do get this shifter, make sure you're using Loctite. Other than that, it feels really good. It's very, very stiff and notchy. The throw is, I believe, the 60% reduction from what they say. That's first, and that's second. Very short. Reverse. Everyone freaks out about that button. I don't know why. I'll do a quick pull right now. I love it. Feels really good. Now this is the version 3. The other two versions had an issue with rattling. They did put like little pieces in here to make it a little bit quieter, but it still does. You probably can't pick it up from the exhaust because it's so loud. But this button does rattle just a little bit. You can hear it at the higher RPMs. Once you get past like 5,000 RPMs, I'd say. That's when it's really noticeable. Other than the rattling, other than it falling apart on me, I still probably would buy this again. That's how nice it is. I do really like it. It feels super well made, and I don't know, and it makes it look like a race car too. So that's kind of the style for this car, is just full race car everything. If you guys made it this far in the video, really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to go follow us on Instagram at 86goals. We post daily there. And if you were watching the other videos before, we normally upload every Monday. We've been having complications over the weekends and stuff with going out for longer periods of time now that quarantine's starting to die down. So we're changing the upload date to every Tuesday. So be on the lookout. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, guys. Go hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Go leave a like if you liked the video. Comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like. If you like the shifter, let us know. If you think it's crazy that I paid over $500 for a shifter, I understand. Go down there and let me know. And I guess we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Take it easy.